Welcome to Muirmill Equestrian Centre near Simonton in Ayrshire. The owners, Mr and Mrs Roebuck, have lived in the property for over 15 years and over time their business and home have expanded. The original cottage dates back to the 1800s, but the property has had a range of extensions over the years. The Roebucks wanted to relocate their kitchen to create an open-plan living space, so they decided to open up the main home to convert a connecting outbuilding. The family had a vision of creating a lighter, more open-plan kitchen and family space and called in C.R. Smith to help bring that dream to life. Before the renovation, the kitchen was at the opposite end of the house and felt quite dark. By moving the space to an original outbuilding, they have been able to create a beautiful open-plan kitchen and dining area, which has become the heart of the home, finished off with these brilliant Lorimer patio doors.
Originally, this building here was for the storage area for our livery yard. We knew this was a sun trap just outside the doors that we've installed, so it felt like the right place to make this the kitchen space. Also, we chose the stable door as we are here all day, every day. On a nice day, you can keep the top door open and still keep the dog in the house.
The patio isn't just about looks. It's designed with slimline frames and transoms that overlap to maximise glass area and natural light. 4-part patio doors can be manufactured up to 6 metres in width and will transform any space, creating a bright, inviting atmosphere. This patio door has fixed panes on either side of the openers, and because they slide, they're a great option if you have young children because the doors won't catch in the wind, meaning no trapped fingers. With its multi-point, bi-directional parrot hook lock and an anti-bump, anti-snap, anti-chill and anti-pick cylinder, these doors ensure your home is protected while still looking effortlessly stylish. Not to mention they blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor living, perfect for family barbecues and equestrian centres alike. In addition to the features of the Lorimer product range, HomePay from C.R. Smith allowed the Roebucks to complete their home improvements straight away and delay their payments for the first 12 months at a low-rate fixed APR.
When we were looking at installing new windows, doors, etc., we chose C.R. Smith because of the payment options available to us. We started our payments a year down the line from when we'd originally signed the paperwork. When Graham the salesman first came out, he described everything really well for us and made it a really simple process, which gives you a lot of confidence to go with a company.
This transformation is proof that with the right vision, products and payment options, only from C.R. Smith, you can turn your house into the home of your dreams.
Having installed the sliding doors, it's produced so much more light in the room. It's opened it all up. The sunsets here now are beautiful in the evenings. The first thing you notice when you walk through the door is the view. As people walk in the door, they go, wow, it's just made a massive difference.
Ready to create your dream space? Talk to our team today or head over to our YouTube channel to discover more of our home improvement projects.